3D Print Bunny and I are inviting everyone with a 3D printer to join us in creating a wonderful piece of art that represents our community and will grow and evolve throughout the year. This artwork is modular, so everyone can print a piece and join it to the whole. It's then going to travel to 4 different cities over 2 different continents and be auctioned off in December for a fantastic charity near and dear to our hearts. Our vision was to create a project that brings everybody in the 3D printing world together. No matter what 3D printer you have or how long you've been printing with it, we're all part of the same team. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, we ask that you join us and build something really cool together. The project is called Layered Connections. 3D Print Bunny is our designer extraordinaire, and she has created Layered Connections, a modular artwork 3D printed by you. Each floral piece has little roots, or maybe fingers, that stretch out to hug its neighbor. We're asking everyone to print a piece and be a part of the art. The file is free and it's posted over on Thanks. 3D Print Bunny designed the pieces so that they print easily and they're sturdy enough to toss into your luggage if you're coming by plane. Layer Connections will begin its journey this April in the Rocky Mountain Rip-Rap Festival in Denver. So, what color and material should we use to print Layer Connections? You can use any 3D printing material you like. It can be PLA, ABS, TPU, heck, you can even resin print it if you want. All we ask is that the finished piece be a shade of blue. This color represents unity and harmony for our maker community. You're welcome to sign or imprint the back of the piece, but please keep the front original as 3D Print Bunny designed it. If you don't have any blue filament, hey, you can paint your piece. It's also important to print the art at 100% scale on a nice clean bed so your piece will be able to hug its neighbors tightly. Participating in this project couldn't be any easier. The STL file is hosted exclusively on Thangs, and it's free for everyone to download. Simply grab the file and print it at 100% scale using any shade of blue filament or resin. Bring it along to one of our festivals, and don't forget to sign the back before adding your piece to our collaborative work. Remember, the file is free for personal use, but if anyone wants to make their art piece to hang at home, you're welcome to do that too. But just remember, the model's not available for commercial sale. So who can join? Everyone can join. We're asking that each piece represent a maker in the 3D printing community. So if members of your family would like to add a piece, that's great. Tell your 3D printing friends too, and let's make this art huge. After its debut at the Rocky Mountain Rip-Rap Festival, our community artwork will travel to the 3 other 3D printing festivals in the US and the UK. It will be at the Midwest Rip-Rap Festival, that's MRF, in June, and 3D Printopia, which was formerly called ERF, in September, and the Sanjay Mortimer Rip-Rap Festival, that's SMURF, in Manchester, England, this December. At each stop, we invite makers to contribute their pieces to help our artwork grow and evolve. But wait, our project doesn't end there. After the European community have added their pieces to the artwork at SMURF, it will be auctioned off to support the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation. You can learn all about the foundation and the link down below.